Impressive. Most impressive. But you are not a Jedi yet.
Hi guys, ABC Toys Collector here, and we're here with Darth Vader. And he's going to be opening up a Star Wars Super Egg. Plus guys, we should open up these two blind bags as well. We got one from Marvel and one from Star Wars Micro Machines. And to top it off, we got a Kinder Surprise, my favorite. Alright guys, so what should we open up first? How about we do the Marvel bag? Alright, let's do this. It's the Incredible Hulk, Ghost Rider, and Captain America. Okay, let's open this. Oh, cool! So we got Thor, guys. Check it out. That's cool. That's Thor's mighty hammer. This is really cool. And so there's a lot of different ones we can collect here, guys. The Thor that we have is this one right here. And there's a different variation of Thor over here. So there's all these ones that we can collect from Series 1 Marvel. These are exciting ones. This is my first one. I'm really happy about this one. Alright, let's put him right beside Darth Vader over here. And let's do the Star Wars Micro Machines. Okay, this is also my first one. This is Series 2 Star Wars Micro Machines. Okay, you guys ready to do this? Let's open it. Oh, cool. We got Slave 1. This here is Boba Fett's machine, flying machine. Space traveling machine. That's really cool. This goes through space. Let's put that right here. Darth Vader and Boba Fett get along really well. Now let's open up the Kinder Surprise egg. Hey, what's this little guy? Sits there like this. Okay. Never seen this guy before. So looks like we could paint using this guy right here. So this is the guy we got right here. Okay. And we can paint this picture if we wanted to. And all we gotta do is add some water to it. Okay. Here's another picture over here. This one's of a giant toadstool or a mushroom. And it tells us the paints that we can use here. Just adding a little bit of water, and then you can go and paint. Who wants to paint right now? Alright, let's do this. Well, let's start coloring here. We take this little guy, and we have to dip this in water. So I got some water here. Okay. Get some green here. Okay, that's cool. This little guy can paint. Alright, we'll move this little guy and we'll put him right over here. The Play-Doh. Okay. Alright guys, now it's time for the super egg. Star Wars Super Egg. Really excited, this is the first one. Let's check it out. One collectible, 3D figurine inside each egg, and there's 3 stickers. Alright. Okay. It's a Stormtrooper on the front. Here, you can see Darth Vader on here. Chewbacca, Princess Leia, check it out guys. Okay. Guess who we got? We got Darth Vader. And what else did we get? We also got Darth Vader sticker. That's really cool. And I think it's got C-3PO and R2-D2 down here as well. It's got Han Solo over here and Princess Leia over here. Oh, and I think that's Chewbacca over here. And we got this one as well. So this one's got a whole bunch of characters on it too. And it's got Stormtrooper and Boba Fett, a Jabba, and Chewbacca over here. And I think it's got like top of Yoda's head there too. Oh wait, there's Yoda right here too. And it's got the Imperial and Rebel icons on there as well. And then we got this sticker here, which is, I guess, all the good guys except for, I guess you see Boba Fett's head here too, right? Okay, so it's Yoda, Princess Leia, Han Solo, Luke Skywalker, you got C-3PO and R2-D2, and then you got the top of you got this guy right here, you got a Stormtrooper right here too. These are really cool. Let's look at all the stickers here together. That's cool, guys. 3 stickers right here. We'll put these right here with Darth Vader, and then we're gonna put Darth Vader together. Luke, I am your father. That's so cool, guys. We got a 3D figure of Darth Vader. I think Darth Vader is going to really like this. So cool, you can turn them around. See this side too. He's got a lightsaber. His lightsaber is a red color. That's so cool. Let's put him over here. Okay guys, thanks for joining us, and thanks for helping Darth Vader open up all his blind bags, his Kinder Surprise egg, and Star Wars Super Egg. Please subscribe if you like our channel. This is ABC Toys Collector. May the Force be with you.